Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Manmeet Ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Family is the first school where we learn love, kindness, sharing, and respect. It gives us strong roots to stay grounded and carrying wings to fly high with confidence. Today, the students of 1A will take you on a beautiful journey celebrating the warmth, care, and togetherness of family. Let us come together and celebrate the special bond called family. Now, I would request Vihan to come on stage and start this ceremony.
Family is life's greatest blessing. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Manvi, esteemed heads, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, the students of 1A are here to present an assembly on the theme of family, roots of love and wings of care. We have strong roots to grow and loving wings to fly high. Life begins, love never ends. I looked at them and tried to head for the morning prayer.
Beautiful bond of family.
As you go through life, you see there is so much that we don't understand. And the only thing we know is things don't always go offering guidance, encouragement, and a shoulder to lean on. Strong family bonds foster emotional well-being, resilience, and a sense of identity. Now I would like to invite my friends to share some points with you all. Love, family is here, always together, always here. Roots so strong, wings so wide. With my family by my side, family is my guiding light. Help me to do and good and right. Roots so strong, wings so wide. With my family by my side, love and care we all do. Family helps my dreams come true. प्यार का बंधन एक ही नंदन सुख दुख में साथ हम साथ रहते परिवार के साथ जीवन साथी बनते हर सदस्य की खुशी हमारी खुशी है हर एक दुख में हम सब एक परिवार है परिवार की ममता का अनमोल धरोहर जो हमें जीवन की सच्ची राह दिखाती है Now my friends share importance of family my biggest sport they love me no matter what. My parents guide me every day. They teach me what is right and wrong. My grandparents tell me beautiful stories. They teach me values and kindness. Things like store, roots, keeping ground and safe. My family gives me wings to fly. They encourage me to follow my dreams. At home I learn to share and care. My family makes me a better person. Love, play and understand your family time the happiest time. Now my friends will present a small play.
At home, everyone is getting ready for school and work. Just like every family, there's a little hurry, little confusion, and a lot of love and helping hands all around. Let us see how this family works together to make their morning smooth and cheerful.
Mommy, where's my school bag? Yeah, room dear. You must keep your things properly. Mommy, I got it. मैंने कहा था ना वहीं पे होगी. Papa, where's my homework notebook? Don't worry, let's find it together. बेटा एक टेबल पर देखी थी नोटबुक वहीं पड़ी होगी Children, always keep your things in the right place. Yes, Dadu, I remember. Papa, can you help me with one question? Of course, let's do it together. Jan. Yeah, we solved it. Thank you, Papa. Welcome. Who set the breakfast table? I will. Helping each other makes work easy. When we help each other, everything becomes easy.
John.
A happy family always helps cares for each other. Now my friends will share what family stands for. Forgiveness and understanding when we falter. respect and care. We want to always
value
and cherish our family. परिवार है तो जीवन है, परिवार है तो हर खुशी है, साथ रहते हैं, साथ बढ़ते हैं और हर मुश्किल को आसान करते हैं।